So today I'm going to teach you on how to create a Instagram account. So open up your Instagram account and click on the sign up at the below. Now make your username, make it unique. So I've just created a username. Now I want to create this. I'm going to continue, allow. Now you can log in by using your phone number or email address. So for now I'm going to use a email address. This is the email address that I want to use. Now I'm going to click on the next. Now the confirmation code will be sent to my Gmail. So let's go and check my Gmail account, and it will come in some seconds, your confirmation code. So let's wait for the confirmation code to come, right? So the confirmation code has came, and so I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go back and click on the login code. Now I'm just gonna add my name and the password. Once I've logged in, I'm just gonna add my date of birth. Now create a username. So after creating the username, you'll be done and you have created your Instagram. So here we go. Now you can add your people or anything, but you have successfully created an Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.